प्रेमामृताम्भोनिधि धीरा धीर जनप्रिय प्रियकरो निर्मत्सरो पूजितो कृपाभरो भुवि भुवो पारावहन्तारको वन्दे रूप सनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको वन्दे रूप सनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको नानाशास्त्र विचारणैक निपुणो सधर्म संस्थापको नानाशास्त्र विचारणैक निपुणो सधर्म संस्थापको लोकानां हितकारिणो त्रिभुवने मान्यो शरण्याकरो लोकानां हितकारिणो त्रिभुवने मान्यो शरण्याकरो राधा कृष्ण पदारविन्द भजना वन्दे नमस्तालिको राधा कृष्ण पदारविन्द भजना वन्दे नमस्तालिको वन्दे रूप सनातन रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको वन्दे रूप सनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको श्रीगौराङ्ग गुणानुवर्णनविदो श्रद्धा समृद्ध्यान्वितो श्रीगौराङ्ग गुणानुवर्णनविदो श्रद्धा समृद्ध्यान्वितो पावतापनि कृन्तनो तनुभृता गोविन्दगानामृते पावतापनि कृन्तनो तनुभृता गोविन्दगानामृते आनन्दाम्बुधिवर्धनैकनिपुणो कैवल्यनिस्तारको आनन्दाम्बुधिवर्धनैकनिपुणो कैवल्यनिस्तारको वन्दे रूप सनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको वन्दे रूप सनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव वन्दे रूप सनातन रघुयुग श्रीजीव गोपाल गौ
वन्दे रूप सनातन रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको
पूजत कोकिल हंस सारसगणा निर्णे मयूराकुले
पूजत कोकिल हंस सारसगणा निर्णे मयूराकुले
नानारत्ननिबद्धमूलविटपा श्रीयुक्तवृन्दावने
नानारत्ननिबद्धमूलविटपा श्रीयुक्तवृन्दावने
नाथा कृष्णमहर्निश प्रभजतो जीवार्ददो यो मुदा
राधा कृष्ण महर्निशं प्रभजतो जीवात्मनो यो मुदा
वन्दे रूप सनातन रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपाल गौ
वन्दे रूप सनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको
संख्यापूर्वक नामगाननदिभिः कालावसानीकृतो
संख्यापूर्वक नामगाननदिभिः कालावसानी कृतो
निद्राहारविहारकादिविजितो चातञ्च दीनो च यो
निद्राहार विहारकादिविजितो रात्यन्तरीणो च यो
राधा कृष्णगुणाश्रितैर्मधुरिमा स्कन्देन सम्मोहितो
राधा कृष्ण गुणाश्रिते मधुरिमा नन्देन सम्मोहितो
वन्दे रूप सनातन रघुयुग श्रीजीव गोपाल गौ
वन्दे रूप सनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको
राधा कुन्दतटे कलेन्दतनया तीरे च वंशीवटे
राधा कुन्दतटे कलिन्दतनया तीरे च वंशीवटे
प्रेमोन्मादवशादशेषदशया तत्सौ प्रमत्तौ सदा
प्रेमोन्मादवशादशेषदशया रसौ प्रमत्तौ सदा
भगवतो रजपुरे कैर्महाविद्वलो
भूषणन्तामिति सर्वतो रजपुरे महाविद्वलो
वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको
वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको
वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको
वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
श्री षड गोस्वामी अष्टकम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु की जय। So, we're in the fourth day of the course, and as usual, this teachings of Lord Chaitanya is from the Chaitanya Charitamrita. So, every day, as usual, we'll be chanting the Mangalacharan verses of Chaitanya Charitamrita. These Mangalacharan verses are the first 14 verses of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Vande Gurunnisha Bhattani Shannisha Avatarakan Tatprakashan Tatshakti Krishna Chaitanya Sanyakam Vande Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityanando Sahodito Gaurodai Pushpavanto Chitro Sando Tamonudo Yadadvaitam Brahmopanishadi Tadapyasya Tanuha Yayatman Purishah Ishosyam Shavibhavaha Shadeshwarye Purno Yaya Bhagavan Sasvayam Mayam Na Chaitanya Krishna Jagadi Bharatvam Paramiha Anapita Charim Chirat Karunayavadirna Kalau Samarpaitum Unnagotvalarasam Svabhaktishriyam Haripurada Sundara Jatikadamba Sandipitaha Sada Udaya Kandare Smrutavaha Satinandana Radha Krishna Pranaya Kritilajani Shakti Rasmat Ekatmana Vibhuvipuradena Vedam Gatoto Chaitanyakyam Prakadamaduna Tatvayam Chaikyamapkam Radha Bhavajim Suvalitam Naumi Krishna Swarupam Sri Radhaya Pranayamima Kitrisho Vaneva Swadyo Yena Bhutamadrima Kitrisho Vamadiya Saukyam Chasya Madanamavata Kitrisham Vedvilobha Tadbhavadya Samajani Sasikat Prasindhu Harindu Sankarshana Karma Vaishari Garbhodashai Chapayogdishai Sheshaschayasyam Sakala Sanitya Andhakyaramam Sharanam Namastu Mayahite Vyapi Vaikuntaloke Purnaishware Shri Chaturvyuha Madhye Rupam Yasyotpati Sankarshanakyam Tam Shri Nityanandaramam Prapadye Maya Bhatta Jana Sankashrayamgaha Sevi Sakshat Karanam Bodhi Madhye Yasekam Shri Bhumanadi Devas Tam Shri Nityanandaramam Prapadye Yasyam Sham Shri Lagarbhodashari Yannam Yam विषये शोणिभद्रस्वत्कालद्योत्यनन्तस् तं श्रीज्ञानन्दरामं प्रपद्ये महाविष्णुर्जगत्कर्ता माययाय सृजत्यतः तस्यावतारे वयम् अद्वैताचार्येश्वरः अद्वैतं हरिरद्वैतात् आचार्यं भक्तिसंशनात् भक्तावतारम् ईशं तम् अद्वैताचार्यमाश्रये पञ्चतत्त्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकम्. So paying obeisance is now to the Sambandha Abhideya and Adideva and Prayojana Adidevas. Jaitam Surato Pangur Mamanda Mahekati Matsarvasvavatam Pujo Radha Madana Mohano Divyanudaranya Kalpadrumadava Srimad Ratnakara Simhasanasto Srimad Radha Shila Govinda Devo Prashtali Visevyamano Smarami Sriman Rasadasarambi Vamshi Vata Tatasita Karsham Devo Smari Gopi Gopinaka Shreyastunaha Jai Jai Shri Chaitanya Jai Nityananda Jai Jai Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhaktavinda Jai Tina Thakura Gaudiya Khe Karya Chana Atprasad Jai Tina Charanavanda Dina Muranath Dantera Mangalacharan Guru Vaishnav Bhagavan Dinera Smaran Dinera Smarane Haya Vigna Vinash Anyaya Se Hai Nija Vanchita Puran Te Mangalacharana Hai Trivida Prakar Vastu Nirdesha Shirvada Namaskar Shri Rupa Sanatana Bhatta Raghunath Shri Jiva Gopala Bhatta Dasa Raghunath Ishai Guru Siksha Guru Irman Anasavara Padapatme Koti Namaskar Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Kala Padonjani Brajita Satvakavali Hamsa Chakra Madhupa Shreni Viharaspadam Karnanandi Kaladvanirvahatu me Jivvamaru Prangane Sri Chaitanya Dayanide Tavalasal Leela Sukha Swadhuni Vairagya Vidya Nijavati Yoga Shiksharthameka Purusha Purana Shri Krishna Chaitanya Shariradhari Kribambudiryastamaham Prapadye Kribambudiryastamaham Prapadye. So, yesterday we discussed about Rupa Siksha and how Sanatana Goswami escaped from jail. And how Sanatana Goswami reached Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's place. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is now in Varanasi. Sanatana Goswami arrives in Varanasi with a great difficulty because he was wearing the dress of a mendicant called Daravesh. He had not taken bath, he had not taken food. Along with Sanatana Goswami, there was one assistant of his. His name was Ishan. And they went to a mortal kind of place where that person who was a receptionist there, he had an astrologer. And the astrologer told that those people who are coming quite near you to our place, they have some gold coins with them. So when Sanatana Goswami went along with Ishan to take rest overnight in that hotel or that Dharmashala, that person was treating so nicely. Sanatana Goswami understood there's something wrong. So then he asked Jan, yeah, you have some money with you? Yes, has some money. Just give it to them. And the hotel person told that actually I wanted to kill you. Since you give my money by yourself, you take it back. Sanatana Goswami told, if you don't kill us, you thought of killing us because we had money, somebody else will do that. So the next day, Chaitanya Sanatana Goswami told Ishan, and you go back with your left shoulder. You have got some money with you. You did not give the entire money. You go back. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sanatana Goswami was going towards Banaras. On the way, he meets his brother-in-law. He was buying on behalf of Nawab Hussain Shah. He bought a lot of horses and he was bringing. And he could recognize Sanatana Goswami. He told, oh, it's very cold. Why don't you take this new blanket? So Sanatana Goswami took the new blanket and told his Shrikant, his brother-in-law, that don't tell to anyone. He told the entire story, how he escaped from the jail. So there, Sanatana Goswami, all the way walking all the way, he reached Varanasi. When he reached Varanasi, he was very happy to know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in Varanasi. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after teaching Rupa Goswami from Prayag, he came in the boat, and there Chandrasekhar Acharya had a dream that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is coming. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to receive him, he went all the way to the bank of the river. They received Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and now Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying in the house of Chandrasekhar Acharya. So Sanatana Goswami learned that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying in the house of Chandrasekhar Acharya. So he came and stayed there. He was standing outside the house. Tabe Varanasi Goswami Aila Patadine Suni Anandita Aila Prabhura Agaman Chandrasekhara Gareasi Dvarate Vasila. So Dvarate Vasila. So Chandrasekhara Acharya's house, on the door, near the door, he was standing. Sanatana Goswami was standing. Mahaprabhujani Chandrasekhare Kahila. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu understood that Sanatana Goswami has come to meet because he is Paramatma, he is the Supreme Lord himself. So you have these notes in page number 34 of the latest, page number 34. So you can see in your mobiles, in your soft copy. Page number 34. Chapter 20, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructs Sanatana Goswami in the science of absolute truth. That is the chapter name. Madhya Lila, chapter 20, 45th verse onwards. If you have Chaitanya Charitamrita in your mobile, you can directly see from the Chaitanya Charitamrita, or just see the verses. Because if you just read the verses and then understand the meaning, that is more relishable. So 40th verse says, Tabe Varanasi Gosai Aila Patadine. After some days he arrived at Varanasi. Suni Anandita Aila Prabhu Ragaman. So he was very happy that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also had come to Varanasi. Chandrasekhara Gore Asi Dwarete Vasila. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Chandrasekhar Acharya's house. Outside the house of Chandrasekhar Acharya, Sanatana Goswami was standing. Mahaprabhujani Chandrasekhara Kaila. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu understood that on the outside the house near the door, Sanatana Goswami is standing. And he told Chandrasekhar Acharya, Dware ki Vaishnava hai bolaho tahare. So on the door, near the door, one Vaishnava is standing there. So, bolaho tahare, why didn't you call him? Chandrasekhara dekhi Vaishnava nahika dware. So he went outside and saw, hey, no Vaishnava is there. And he came back. Dwarete Vaishnava nahi Prabhu Kaila. And he told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Chandrasekhar Acharya told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, on the other door, there is no Vaishnava there, nobody is there. Kya hoy, Kari Prabhu, Tahare Puchila. Hey, somebody must be there, why don't you go and see? And Teno kahe eka dharavasha ache dware. So Chandrasekhar Acharya told, no, there is no mendicant there, there is no Vaishnava there, there is only a mendicant there. There is a Dharavesh, there is a Muslim mendicant there. Suni Anande Sanatana Karila Prave. So then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so happy and told, yes, yes, he's Sanatana Goswami, please bring him inside. Tare angane deki Prabhu dhana aila. So seeing Sanatana Goswami, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ran towards him. Tanera alingana kari premavishta haila. Tanera alingana kari premavishta haila. By embracing Sanatana Goswami, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went into ecstasy. He was so much in bliss. Prabhu sparshe premavishta haila Sanatan. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu touched the body of Sanatana Goswami, then Sanatana Goswami went into ecstasy. Premavishta haila Sanatan Morana Chunya Pahe Gada Gada Vachan. So Sanatana Goswami, he was in ecstasy, but still he told, oh Lord, please don't touch me, please don't touch me, please don't touch me. Dui jane galagale rodhana par. So both of them raised each other, the neck, and galagale rodhana par. Both of them started crying, tears were rolling through their eyes. Deki Chandra Shekhara Haila Chamatkar. Seeing this loving affair between Sanatana Goswami and Sri Chaitanya, they are so much in ecstasy, tears were rolling to their eyes. Chandrasekhara Acharya became Chamatkar, he was completely amazed. Tabe Prabhu Tahara Hate Dhari Lana Gila Indara Upara Apana Pashe Vasaila. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he caught hold of the hand of Sanatana and then brought him near a chaukat, Pindare Upara, and he made him sit next to him. Sri Haste Karenu Tara Anga Samarjan. With Chaitanya Mahaprabhu within his hands, he was massaging, or he was marjana. He was just on the body of Sanatana, he was doing samarjan. Teno kahe Mora Prabhu na kare sparshan. Sanatana Goswami told, oh Lord, please don't touch me, please don't touch me. Prabhu kahe Thomas Parshi Ama Pavitrite. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Sanatana, by touching your body, I become purified. Bhakti bole para tumi brahmanda shodite. See, because of your devotion, you can actually purify the entire brahmanda. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu quotes some verses which talks about the glory of devotees. Bhavadvida bhagavatas tirtha bhuta swayam prabho tirthi kurvanti tirthani swantastena gadabrita. Bhavadvida bhagavatas. The Bhagavatas, the devotees like you, are Tirtha Bhuta Swayam Prabho. You are all personified Tirtha Kshetras, personified Tirthas. And you go to Tirthas. Why you go to Tirthas? The devotees go to Tirthas. Tirthi Kurvanti Tirthani. Do you purify the Tirthas? You go there. Swantastena Gadabritaha. Swantastena. Why? Because the Lord, Supreme Lord, who is known as Gadabrita, he is there in the heart of the devotees. Name bhaktas chaturvedi mad bhaktas sapada priyaha tasmai deyam tato grahyam sacha pujo yatahyaham. So Name bhaktas chaturvedi mad bhaktas sapacha priyaha. Even though somebody is a chaturvedi, but still is not very dear to me. One is a mad bhakta, one is a devotee. Sapachaha, even though his sapacha means he is born in the family of the dog eater, he is priya for me. Tasmai diyam tato grahyam sacha priyo yatayaham. In the same way, as much as the devotee is dear to me, devotee is also read. Then a very beautiful verse is quoted from by Prahlad Maharaj. Vipra dvishad guna yutat ravindanabha pada ravinda vimukha svapacham varishtham manye tadarpita mano vachanendriyartha parpam punati sakulam natu purimana. Oh, pranam punati sakulam natu purimana. Prahlad Maharaj says, Vipra dvishad guna yutat Aravinda Nabha, here Aravinda Nabha Krishna. So those of you come late, you should know it's in the 36th page, text number 59. Vipra Vidvishad Guna. Vishad Guna means 2 into 6, 12. A Vipra means a Brahmana with 12 qualities. All the 12 qualities but his padara vinda vimukat. He is vimukha. He is against his lotus feet of Krishna. Then he is not so dear. Better than that Brahmana who is not a devotee. He is who sabacham marishtam manye tadarpitamano, because he is dedicated his body, mind and speech to Krishna. He pranam punati sakulam nadupuri mana. Not only that, he purifies himself, but he purifies the entire kula. Tomadeki, Tumasparshi, Kayatumagun, Sarvendriya, Falaye, Shastra Nirupan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, he Sanatan, Tumadeki, by your darshan. Tumasparshi, by having sparsha, by touching you. Gayatuma Arguna, by glorifying your qualities. Sarvendriya Phala, that is the result of having that is the perfection of having the senses. Ye Shastra Nirupan. It is not just I am saying just like that. The scriptures are saying so. Akshano phalam tatdrisha darshanam hi. By darshan of a devotee, your eyes becomes perfect. Tanumo phalam tatdrisha gatra sangan. Just by touching the devotees of the Lord and a gatra sangan, then our body becomes purified. Jivha phalam tatdrisha kirtanam hi. By glorifying the devotees, our jivha, our tongue becomes perfect. Sudurlabha bhagavata hi loke. Bhagavata hi loke. In this world, Bhagavatas are sudurlabha, very rare. Yeta kahi kahe Prabhu suno sanatan. Krishna bradayamai patita pavan. Hey Sanatan, Krishna is very merciful unto you. Maharagare hatit tumara karila uddhar. You see, he has delivered you from the hell called Maharaurava. Mental existence is like hell. And then he has delivered you from this Maharaurava, Karila Uddhar, Kripara, Samudra Krishna, Gambhira Par. So, Krishna's mercy is very grave and very deep, like a Samudra, like a ocean. Sanatana Kahe, hearing the words of Chaitanya. Sanatana kahe Krishna mi nahi jani. So Chaitanya told Sanatan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna has showered mercy unto you, because of which you are delivered. He has delivered you from the ocean of mental existence. Then Sanatana Goswami says, Krishna mi nahi jani. I don't know Krishna. Amara uddhar hetu tumhara kripa mani. It is only because of you, your kripa, I am delivered. Okay, Mone Jotila Bali Prabhu Prashna Kaila Adyo Banta Sabha Kanta Teno Sunila. Then, how are you? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked him. Sanatana Goswami explained all the things which have happened, how he came, how was he delivered, everything was described. Then Prabhu kahe, tumhara dui bhai Prayag milila. See, your brothers have met me in Prayag. Rupa Anupam duha Vrindavana gela. So Rupa and Anupam, your brothers, they have gone to Vrindavan. Tapana Mishra Ara Chandra Shekhara Acharya Prabhu Ajna Sanatana Amilila Tohare. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu introduced Sanatana Goswami to Chandrasekharacharya and Tapan Mishra. Tapan Mishra Tabe Tahara Kaila Nimantran. When Tapan Mishra told Sanatana Goswami that you come to my house and take prasad every day as long as you hear. Prabhu kahe, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Sanatana Goswami, Tapan Mishra, that Chaura Karaha Yata Sanatan, you shave Sanatana, because all the way he has come, so many days he has not taken bath. Chandrasekhare Prabhu kahe bolenu, yehi vesha durakara yara ihara kala. You remove the dress and give him a new dress. Bhadrakarna tare Gangasthana kaila, Shekarera aniya tare nutana vastradila. Then Sanatana Goswami was made to take bath in Ganga. Then after shaving, Then he gave, Chandrasekhar Acharya gave a new dress. Say, Vastra Sanatana Kailangika. He said, no, I don't want new dress. I don't want it. Sunya Prabhuramana Anandapar. By hearing this Vairagya from Sanatana Goswami, he was so detached, he said, I don't want a new dress. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so happy. Madhyana Karya Prabhu Gela Bhiksha Kariba Sanatana Lena Gela Tapana Mishra Kare Pada Prakshalana Kari Bhikshate Vasaila Sanatane Bhiksha Deha Mishra Kaida. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to prasad in Tapan Mishra's house, and actually Tapan Mishra is a great devotee of the Lord. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to East Bengal, that is Bangladesh, there Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met Tapan Mishra and told Tapan Mishra, you go to Banaras. So in this way Tapan Mishra went to Banaras, and he was a very great Pandita, Tapan Mishra. And who is the son of Tapan Mishra? Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. So Raghunath Bhatta Goswami is the son of Tapan Mishra. And later on, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami becomes a great Acharya. All the kings, they used to come and take initiation, Diksha from him. Pada Prakshana Bhikshate Vasila Sanatana Bhiksha Deha Mishra Kaila Mishra Kai Sanatan Sanatanera Kichu Kritya Che Tumi Bhiksha Kara Prasada Tara Diba Pache. So after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took prasad, Sanatana Goswami was given the Bhiksha Kari Mahaprabhu Vishrama Kaila Mishra Prabhu Sesha Patra Sanatana Dila. After Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took Bhiksha, and the rest, remnants of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Bhiksha was given to Sanatana Goswami. Mishra Sanatana Dila Nutana Vasan Vastra Nahi Nila Teno Kaila Nivedan. So again, Mishra, Tapan Mishra, he gave new dress to Sanatana Goswami, and he told, no, I don't want to accept. Mora Vastadite Yadi Tumara Haiman Nicha Paridana Eka Deha Puratan. If you really want to give me some dress, you give me some old dress which have been already worn by you. Tabe Mishra Puratana Eka Duti Dila. So then Chaitanya Mishra, Tapan Mishra, he gave an old dress, old dhoti to him. Teno dohi bahirvas kaupina karila. So in that he made kaupin and he made a bahirvas. Maharashtra Dvijay Prabhu Nilaila Sanatane Seviprata Kaila Maha Nimantrane. So when Maharashtra Brahman was there, and he told Sanatan, hey Sanatan, tumi yavat Kashi te rahiba. As long as you are there in Kashi, tavat amara grahe bhiksha hi kariba. You take bhiksha in my house. Sanatana kahe ami madhukari kariba. Sanatana told, no, I will do madhukari. Brahmanera gore kena ekatra bhiksha labha. See, why I should take bhiksha from one place? I will do madhukari. Then seeing this, Sanatanera Vairagya Prabhura Anandapa. Seeing Sanatana Goswami is so much of Vairagya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so much in bliss. Bhota Kambala Pana Prabhu Chahe Bar Bar. So when Sanatana Goswami was coming, his brother-in-law gave a new, very expensive blanket. Somehow Mahaprabhu was again and again seeing the blanket. Sanatana Jainai Prabhura Nabhai. Sanatana Goswami understood that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not like this thing. Bhota Tyaga Kari Bare Chintila Upai. How to give this new blanket? He was thinking in his mind. Eta Chintigela Gangaya Madhyana Karite Eka Gaudiya Kanta Duma Diyache Sukhaiti. So at that time there was one Gaudiya, a Bengali person, Dobi. He was cleaning dresses, washing dresses in the Ganga, and he was putting on the cloth for drying. ताय करे ओरे भाई करो उपकार. He went to him, the Dhobi, and told Sanatana Goswami, "Hey bhai, do some upakar unto me. Ye botalana eka kanta deha more. You take this expensive kambal and then give me what? Some deha more kanta, some old kambal you give. Se kahe rahasya kari pramane kahana bahumulya botadiva kena kantalana." Hey, what happened to you? Gone mad or what? You gave me some new expensive blanket and you want something kanta or some old dress. Hey, tabali kanta laila bota tara dia bosaira tani aila kanta gilatiya. So anyhow, he said that I wanted this. What is the thing? Anyhow, he exchanged. He was very happy, that washerman. He gave Chaitanya Sanatana Goswami took the blanket and came. Prabhu kahe, when he came in front of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Tumhara boda kambala pota gila. Hey, what happened to your this new blanket, the woolen blanket, where it is gone? Prabhu pade sabagata Gosai kahila. Then Sanatana Goswami explained the entire thing what has happened. Prabhu kahe ihami kariyachi vichar. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I was thinking, Vishaya roga kantaila Krishna itumar. Vishaya roga, the disease of attachment, Krishna has totally destroyed it. Sekena rakive tumara sesha vishayamur. Krishna has destroyed every of your attachment. How are you attached to your kambal, blanket? I was just thinking that. Roga kandi shat vishaye narakhe shesha roga. Like a good doctor, what does he do? He removes the disease completely, not that he just leaves the disease, some disease is left. Tina mudrara botagaya madhukari grasa. See, how can you take expensive woolen blanket along you and then say, Bhaudviksham, how can you do that? Dharma hani hai loka kare pahas. If you do that, dharma hani hai, your dharma will be destroyed. And loka kare upvas, and all the people in this world, they will laugh at you. Gosai kahe, ye kandila kuvishaya bhoga, tara ichhaya gelamara sesha vishaya roga. And then Sanatana Goswami told, ye kandila kuvishaya bhoga, tara ichhaya. It is because of a desire, sesha vishaya roga. Whatever was disease of mental existence, attachment was there, that disease has gone. Prasannana Prabhu tahe kripa kaila, tahara kripaye prashna karite, tahara shakti paila. Hearing this vairagya in the heart of Sanatana Goswami, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave what? Gave Shakti. Which Shakti he gave? He gave the Shakti for inquiring. Purve che Rai Pase Prabhu Prashna Kaila. Purve, in the past, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked questions to Ramananda Rai. Tanara Shakye Ramananda Tara Uttaradila. And because of the potency of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had done Shakti Sanchar in Ramananda Rai, Ramananda Rai could speak. Iha Prabhura Shakye Prashna Kare Sanatan. Now because of the potency invested in the heart of Sanatana Goswami, Sanatana Goswami could ask questions. Iha Prabhura Shakye Prashna Kare Sanatan. Abane Mahaprabhu Kare Tattva Nirupan. Then when Sanatana Goswami asked questions, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did Tattva Nirupan. He established the philosophy. Krishna Swarupa Madhuryai Swarya Bhaktir Rasashrayam Tattvam Samashrayesha Kripayopadishcha Saha. There, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained Sanatana Goswami about the Siddhanta, Krishna Swarupa, the Swarupa of Krishna, the different forms of Krishna. Then what all he described, different forms of Krishna, Krishna Swarupa. Madhuryai means the sweetness of Krishna. Varya Bhakti, what is the topmost Bhakti, Lord devotional service. And Rasashrayam, the Rasa Tattvam, Sanatanayesha Kripayopadishah Saha. Out of great compassion, these are the subject matters which were described by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Sanatana Goswami. Number one, the Swarupa of Krishna and living entities, Krishna Swarupa. Then the opulence and the Madhurima of Krishna. And Varya Bhakti, that is pure devotional service. And then Rasashram and Rasa Tattva. And Sanatana Upadesha, because of mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This was the Upadesh given to Sanatana Goswami. Tabe Sanatana Prabhu Charana Dhariya. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was standing there. Sanatana Goswami fell at the feet of Sri Chaitanya and caught over the feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Dainya Vinati Kare Dante Trinalana. Holding a trina, grass, in the near the teeth of Sanatana Goswami. What did he do? Nicha Jati, Nicha Sangi, Patitadham. 99th verse, page number 40. Nicha Jati, Nicha Sangi, Patitadham. Now Sanatana Goswami is expressing his humility. Till now he manifested his Vairagya, that is his renunciation. And then Sanatana Goswami is expressing his humility. Nicha Jati, Nicha Sangi, Patita Adhama, Uvishaya, Upe Padi, Guaino Janama. So who is Sanatana Goswami? He knew 13 languages. He had memorized all 18,000 verses of Bhagavatam. But still what he says? And one Sharma is saying, Hum Sharma ji hai. And so much of pan tobacco in his mouth. Now ask him to tell one shloka of Bhagavad Gita, he doesn't know. And he's so proud of being a Sharma. But Sanatana Goswami is so humble. So Vairagya, renunciation, and Dainya, humility. These two are the qualities which are very much required for progress in devotional service. If you see Arjuna, he also manifested this humility when he surrendered to Krishna. How did he manifest his humility? Karpanya doshu vatasvabhava prachamikam dharma. Arjuna is so great, but still kripanata. He is so humble. Vairagya, how did Arjuna express his Vairagya? When Krishna told, hey, why are you asking me? Why don't you go to somebody else? Maybe if I give you the kingdom of heaven, is it okay for you? Then Arjuna told, Avapya bhumna vasapadyaruddham rajyam surana vichadipadyam. Rajyam surana, even if I get the kingdom of heaven, I am not going to leave your lotus feet. So in this way, Arjuna also expressed, number one, Vairagya, number two, humility. That is what is described in the Bhagavad Gita 4th chapter. Tadvidhi Nipadena, humility. Sevaya, that's how you should show your Vairagya. And Pariprashnena, you ask questions. Arjuna asks question, Yashreya. Here, Sanatana Goswami is also going to ask question. So, humility and Vairagya is very much required for Acharya Upasana. Acharya Upasana has got three aspects. Pranipadena, Pariprashnena, Sevaya. So we know here, Pranipadena has two aspects to it. That is humility and renunciation. And Sanatana Goswami is going to ask questions, Pariprashnena. And ultimately, Sanatana Goswami is going to do Seva up to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Arjuna did the Seva of fighting. So, the whole philosophy is based on Acharya Upasana. Acharya Upasana has got three aspects. Ado Guru Padashraya, that is Pranipadena. Number two, Diksha Shikshadhigranam, that is inquiry. And inquiry means Pariprashnena. And Guru Sevaya, that is Seva. In the 64 aspects of devotional service, The first three are these. What are they? Tadviddhi Pranipadena Pariprashtena. Now here Sanatana Goswami is expressing his humility, utter humility. Nicha jati, nicha sangi, patitatham, kuvishaye, kupepade, guayam janam. I was drowned in the well of Vishaya, sense enjoyment. Patita, I am Adama. Nicha Sangi, I was completely associating with all kinds of nichas. Then Sadhusya further says, Apanara hita hita kichu na jani, gramya vyavahare panditata satya kaimani. I don't know. Apanara hita ahita kichu na jani. I don't know what is beneficial for me and what is not beneficial for me. I don't know that. But Gramya Vyavahare, people tell me, oh, Sanatan is great Pandita. Gramya Vyavahare Pandita, and I am more foolish. I am actually a foolish person. People call me Pandita. My foolishness has reached the greatest height because I accept that when they say Pandita, I was Satyakari Mani. And Kripa kari yadi more kariyache uddhar. Avara kripa kaho kartavyama. So this is a very important verse where Sanatana Goswami describes Kripa kari yadi kari kariyache amar uddhar. Since you have already delivered me, kariyache yadi amar more kariyache uddhar. If you have already delivered me, that means you already delivered me. Then tell me my kartavya, what is my responsibility? So when you approach a spiritual master, your responsibility starts. Your responsibility starts actually. The actual spiritual responsibility starts after getting initiation. Because Sanatana Goswami is who? He is which acharya? Sambandacharya. Sambandacharya means one who establishes a relationship with Krishna. He is Diksha Guru. So Diksha Guru, after taking Diksha from Guru, now people think that now my responsibility is over. Diksha ho gaya mera abhi. But actually, Sanatana Goswami says, now Kartavyama, please tell me what is my Kartavya. Then he asks questions. Kiyami, Kema,